Hey there! I'm excited to share today's tutorial on using the CyMo Pro Indicators, your new tool for enhanced trading insights. Today we're going to focus on understanding the Cyclic setup, which is key to spotting high-probability long entry opportunities. Let's jump into what happened on Friday, May 17, 2024, to get a feel for how these signals work. At 10:45 a.m., the cycle signal, which is the cyan line, crossed over zero, but momentum was rising. Now, for a valid cyclic setup, momentum should be falling, so this wasn't the setup we're looking for. Plus, neither the cycle nor momentum had that clean sinuwave wave pattern before the crossing, so even though both were moving up, it wasn't a high-probability long setup. So, what does a good setup look like? For a strong long trade, you want to see the cycle cross over zero while momentum is falling. Ideally, the cycle should have a nice clean sinuwave wave pattern, dropping from nearly +1 to almost 1, and then quickly rising to cross zero. Momentum should show a similar but out-of-phase pattern, falling from nearly +1 and still heading down, and ideally below zero when the cycle crosses over zero. Once the cycle crosses over zero, keep an eye on momentum. If it turns upward within a few bars, you're in good shape. If it doesn't, you might want to exit to avoid a potential loss. If momentum does turn upward, you can hold the trade as long as momentum continues to rise and the cycle stays above zero. For short setups, take a look at what happened at 12:30 p.m. Both Cyclic and momentum were at the zero line, with Cyclic heading downwards. By 12:45 p.m., Cyclic crossed under zero, and momentum followed it down. This is a great example of a strong entry for a short setup. The downside trade ended when Cyclic crossed back over zero at 2:15 p.m. I know it can be a bit much to take in all at once, but don't worry. We've got a training video that captures 4 days of trades to help you see how these signals play out in real time. And if you're curious to try these signals yourself, they're available on the NinjaTrader EcoSystem under CyMo. Here's the fun part. You can sign up for a free 7-day trial. If you're watching on TikTok, just hit the link in my bio. For YouTube viewers, you'll find the link in the description. This trial is a fantastic way to experience how the CyMo Pro Indicator can boost your trading strategy. The CyMo Pro Indicator is designed to give you deeper insights into market cycles and momentum. Play around with these signals, apply them to your trades, and see how they can make your trading more effective and exciting. Trading should be fun. And with CyMo Pro, you're equipped to navigate the markets with confidence. Happy trading!